Hi and welcome to video channel DIY Cosmetics. Today we are going to show you how to make sea salt scrub by yourself. We'll continue right after this. Hello again, I'm Isaac of AromaCare DIY Cosmetics. Salt scrub is good for our skin. It softens the skin and makes us feel much better, like in a spa. We are going to make our wonderful sea salt body scrub. It's easy to make, so let's get started. First, take an empty jar. It must be clean and dry. We use carrier oil, it's also called base oil. Pour 100 ml of sweet almond oil to the empty jar. The almond oil fits and moistens our skin. Add a teaspoon of vitamin E for a natural preservative. This is optional, but it will make our scrub last longer. Tap 5 drops of essential lavender oil. The lavender keeps us calm and relaxed. Add a few drops of food coloring to make the scrub look nicer. Stir well with a spoon or a stick. The exfoliate factor in our scrub is sea salt. Personally, I prefer the Dead Sea salt. It's a natural mineral enriched by magnesium sulfate. It relaxes the body and muscles. If you have sensitive skin, you can use brown sugar as the exfoliant. It feels more gentle on the skin than salt. The amount of the salt is twice the amount of oil, so add 200 ml of sea salt to the jar. You don't have to stir again, because eventually the salt will sink and the oil will rise. The texture should be moist, but not overly oily, like that. Well, now it's ready. Use this twice a week before the shower. Let's see how we are going to use it. Massage gently into your skin in a circular motion for a few minutes. Now it's time to take a shower. I would like to point out some important notes. The scrub shouldn't be used by pregnant women. Make sure the scrub doesn't get near any cuts or wounds. If you intend to shave your body hair, use the scrub before and not after. The oil left on your skin makes shaving smoother. Keep the scrub in a cool, dry place. That's it. You are ready to go. Use the scrub to get softer skin. You will feel so peaceful on one hand and energetic on the other hand. This scrub may also be a great gift for your friends and family. Put it in a pretty jar and here you have a wonderful gift. Well, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and join us again in our next video. Till then, try to remember, cosmetics you can do by yourself.